Hey, I'm cooking here. Really into this tune right now. Sorry. Anyways, I'm doing a thing that I've never done before, and it's called Puppy Chow. And apparently, it's a big thing in the Midwest. Even though I spent most of my life in the Midwest, I never heard about this until like maybe a year ago, and it's really good. So I'm like, let's make some. So I got all the ingredients out here for you, and we're gonna like do a special, see how I'm cooking things. You need Chex Mix. I got the generic because I'm poor. You need semi-sweet chocolates. I got the generics because I'm poor. You need powdered sugar. I got crystal sugar because I didn't see a generic version. I got generic vanilla stuff because I'm poor. And I got some Jif peanut butter because I eat a lot of peanut butter anyway. Anyway, you know all this stuff, and you're gonna put it in here, and we're gonna make a thing that's gonna be magical. So first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna take our Chex Mix cereal, which is not really Chex Mix cereal, but you know, whatever. And you can use the whole bag of this stuff. Pour it right in your largest mixing bowl. There you go. Look at that, there's a lot of Chex Mix right there. Oh my goodness gracious, right there. So you got this whole thing in here. Right there. Pour cereal on, and then set it aside. I'm gonna set it over here. Got stuff on the floor now. Put that right over there. Now step 2, I gotta melt. How much chocolate do I need? I got the instructions written right here. I'm trying to like make like I know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing. I got the instructions right here. So I need my chocolate. 1.5 cups of chocolate, and I need 3/4 cup of peanut butter. I need a bowl or something for that stuff. Oh boy, I don't know. You know, I was gonna get a non-sticker. So I'm gonna do this on the stove top because that's a cool way to do it. So I need 1.5 cups of chocolate chips. These are semi-sweet. I don't know why I got semi-sweet. Because, I mean, semi-sweets are not as good as regular chocolate chips. But that's what the recipe calls for. And it's from the internet, so you know it's good. Wow, look at that. I've had 2 handfuls of this during the day today, and that amount of eating came out exactly to 1.5 cups, which is exactly what I need. That's awesome. Now I need 3/4 cup of peanut butter. And man, I love peanut butter like crazy. I'm like a crazy peanut butter monkey over here sometimes. I'm eating peanut butter. And if you've seen from some of my recipes, like I made my peanut butter chocolate, my peanut butter, what's it called? Peanut butter crackers, peanut butter jelly crackers. And it was so good. Where did my measuring thing go? Let me see. Where's my... Get one out there, right here. I put it down. So I need 3/4 cup of peanut butter. I think I need 2 spoons for this. It's gonna stick to my. I definitely need 2 spoons for this. This is gonna be a long video, I think. It's going crazy. I'm gonna need a lot of peanut butter to get 3/4 cup of peanut butter. This is gonna be really good. Look at that, that's a lot of peanut butter. And as you can see, I'm using the natural style peanut butter because I like the natural style peanut butter. It tastes better, I think. Oh man, this is like gonna be a lot of peanut butter. Woo! Look at all that. Oh jeez. I lost some peanut butter there. Hold on. Don't go anywhere. People are gonna get my peanut butter jar. Woo! Alright, got my peanut butter back. Then you gotta check the rim. You wanna make sure there's not any dog hairs on there or anything. It looks clear to me. Some more. This is probably the last scoop of peanut butter I'm gonna need here. Actually, I'll be like half of this scoop, I bet. So, I mean, this is more than 3/4 cup right here, but there's also a lot of air gaps in there. I'll scrape some off. Where's the cup thing? There it is. Scrape some more off. I put way too much peanut butter in there. We'll call that 3/4 cup. And this I'll put right back in. There's a couple of chocolate chips in there, but that's just gonna be a bonus for me later on today. When I have some peanut butter, I'm gonna be like, what? Peanut butter and chocolate chips? It's gonna rule. Oh boy, this is the quality content you guys all pay a lot of money for. Seeing this right here. All right, so I got my peanut butter and I got my chocolate chips. This is hard to scrape out. Too bad there's not no stick measuring cups. That's what I would need right here. Although I'll probably still stick to peanut butter because, you know, whatever, peanut butter. I love peanut butter. And I'll eat this all by myself later on. And I'll gain like 6 pounds today. That's a goal weight right there. 6 pounds gaining. Woo. I don't want to drop that because that's one of my favorite things. Alright, so I got the peanut butter in here. And I got the peanut butter and the chocolate in there. What, anything else in there? So I gotta melt this up here. And that's no baloney. Oh yeah, I'm at that close-up cooking right here. So right now I'm melting up my chocolate peanut butter mix. I bet this is how they do it at the Reese's company when they make their stuff with that. So I got my chocolate and peanut butter in there. And now I'm gonna put in my, this is a 3/4 of a cup of melted butter. Putting that right in there. Oh man, melted butter. Oof. 3 things that always make everything better. Butter, chocolate, and cheese. Make a world better place. Now I'm gonna put in 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Right here is 1, boom, and a half. Looks like about a half. Boom, right in there. Now next up I'm gonna put in, how much salt am I putting in there again? What's the salt? Half a teaspoon of the kosher salt. This isn't kosher salt, but that's okay because this is what I have in my house here. Oh, this is not coming out. That's good enough. There, that's probably half of whatever it was. That's all in there. Now I do some more stirring. Oh boy, this is getting good. Oh, jeepers creepers, it's hot in there. I'm gonna burn my chocolates up. Woo! This is exciting cooking. I'm really cooking. I'm cooking with gas today, that's for sure. That's no baloney. We're going a little crazy over here right now. I was looking at the instructions and it calls for things I don't own myself right now. So, like I thought I had some. Supposed to use these giant Ziploc bags and like a cookie sheet with a rim. And I do have a cookie sheet with a rim, but it kind of got ratchet on me a little bit because it's like, I don't know what I did to it, but I cooked it too hot one day when it was empty because preheating the oven for pizza. So I cooked it and then it was like all this a mess. Anyhow, what I'm gonna do for you guys right now is instead of doing this, I can do an alternative method, which is gonna be good because it's education for you guys out there in TV land. So I got a little bit of stuff in here because I don't know, I was having problems. So I'm gonna take the chocolate, the peanut butter mix, and I was gonna dump it right in my giant bowl, and then I'm gonna slowly add in powdered sugar and more cereal, and just keep mixing it up. And it's gonna be like, "What? You're a genius!" And you'll be like, "Yeah, I know, I'm a genius." Oh man, this is so exciting. Pouring some in. It's a good. I didn't put it all in there yet, but I got a good bit of it in. Put it in there. I'm gonna do some mixing. Oh, mix, 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 mix. This is not mixing the best, but you know, what's gonna happen? I don't know. It's not like it's gonna be a problem. It's just gonna get more better tasting and stuff. Get some of my sugar. It's so exciting. Oh, I'm just making mess after mess today. My kitchen at the end of today is gonna be like, looks like a disaster zone. So I can take some powdered sugar, put it in here. That's a good amount of powdered sugar probably for right now. Woo! Oh, I got powdered sugar. I'm a mess. Got powdered sugar on my thing here. Oh yeah. The mixing. I was warned about this recipe. Somebody says you gotta do it all just the right time. It's all about timing and getting it all done right. This is not happening for me right now. I'll tell you that right now. This is not happening. It's not going well. Things are not going well today at all. But you know what? I'm open and honest with everybody. I show them my bad stuff and my good stuff. Today we're seeing some bad stuff, but I bet you, all this stuff in here, and we got peanut butter, we got chocolate, we got sugar. No matter what happens, it's gonna taste great. Okay, so I got some more cereal in here. Now I got some more chocolate in here. Oh, this is great. This is great. I'm gonna add the rest of the chocolate in. The recipe calls for the whole bag, the whole box of cereal. I think it's too much. It's too much. I think what I got in here now is enough. Oh boy, This is a crazy, crazy thing going on here. And I'm making such a mess. I'll tell you right now, I'm glad my mom's not here because she'd be like, what are you doing in my kitchen? You're making a mess of everything. And she'd be like, maybe go to my room or something. She'd be like, kick me out of the kitchen. She's like, you're not getting in my kitchen ever again. Then she'd probably like take out the belt and start beating me. I grew up in the 70s and 80s when moms, jeez, moms just beat their children at will. It didn't even matter. You know, it's hard to walk around this broken wing. I got the broken wing here still. Oh man, I'm gonna start stirring more. Oh boy, I think even though this is weird, this is gonna be good. This is gonna be good, tell you. It better be good, because it's definitely messy. Ugh. And after this, I still have to figure out what I'm gonna have for dinner tonight. I don't know what I'm having for dinner tonight. Could have Chinese food, could have Thai food, I could order a pizza, I could just make some spaghetti. I don't know. So I'm gonna keep on stirring this a while, and then after I'm done stirring it, I gotta let it cool for like 10 minutes or something like that. Let it cool down nicely, and then that's ready to chow down on. That's no baloney. It's gonna be good and ready to chow on. Hey everybody. I found out today that powdered sugar is not my friend. That's for sure. Anyway, it's been cooling in the fridge now for I don't know how long. This whole thing is kind of a disaster today. My whole kitchen floor is powdered sugar. My thing is powdered sugar. I got my dress jeans on. They're covered with powdered sugar. So I covered it up with the powdered sugar. I stirred it. I put it in the fridge and cooled it off. Now I can try some. Here we go. Bon appetit. That's good. It's really good. Goodness was not something I was expecting very much out of this. But it's good. Now, between now and next time, will I wash my chef's coat? We don't know. Go for bologna sandwich.